So on the menu today, we're gonna do some okra. We call it gumbo back in my country. And I'm gonna do some lentils with a little bit of chicken wings. No carbs, just lentils, chicken wing, some vegetables. We have some mushroom and spinach. That's it. And I think I have some pumpkin. So that's all we're gonna be cooking today. So I don't know how it's gonna taste, but hopefully it tastes good. But we'll give it a try and see how it comes out. Who's that, Bells? Who's that? Who's that? Go check it out, Bells. Go check it out. She thinks she's a pit bull. She likes to start trouble. So this is a really nice campground, you know. And it's not too cold today. And as you can see, the water behind me right there. And we're probably about 10, 15 feet away from the river. And it is beautiful. It's already fall and all the leaves are changing. The colors are amazing. I tried fishing a while ago, but didn't catch anything. I'll probably try again later. But Bella is already stressing me out. She wants to eat. And by the way, I had a little bit of a situation this morning concerning Bella. So I went to take a shower early today. The shower is about maybe 100 feet away from the tent. I left Bella in the tent and I went to take my shower and I came back and there's no sign of Bella. I called her, I searched the entire tent. I mean, anytime I show up at the tent, she would be running to me. But for some reason, Bella was not in the tent and I started to panic a little bit. So I noticed there's one part of the tent where the zippers come together. Bella pushed her way out of the tent and I guess went looking for me. And I took the bike and went back over to the office to ask if anybody saw a dog or if anybody said they found a dog. And she was in the office. She went all the way to the office looking for me. And the guy who runs the office said she was heading towards the road and he happened to pick her up. And I guess she went to make a complaint that I left her in the tent. And she's a minor. So, man, I was so afraid because I didn't know where she went. I didn't know if something happened to her. And I don't know, it was a little bit stressful this morning. But I found her, she's well, she's okay. And she's sitting right there. And every turn that I make, she's watching. So she wants to make sure that I don't go anywhere. This is already smelling so nice. This is one of my favorite things to eat. I don't know if any of you guys eat that, but this is really nice. Get the chicken wings in there. Alright, I'm gonna put the spinach. The pot is full to the top. Just put the spinach in. Eventually the spinach is gonna melt and it's not gonna look too bad. So chicken wings, mushrooms, spinach. We have a little bit of pumpkin, some onions, garlic, some lentil peas, and yeah, baby. Here's a really nice little device any one of us can use. It's made by a company called BLAVOR. It's a solar power bank you can carry with you wherever you go. It's small and compact. It has rubber sides. So if you drop it, it's not gonna break. It has a nice little solar panel on the front, so you can charge it on the go. It also comes with a carabiner. You can hook it on your backpack, and while you're walking or hiking or whatever you're doing, it also charges. And if you get lost, there you go. You got a nice little compass to find your way home. Right? In the dark, it also comes with a little flashlight. Right here. So you can see what you're doing. And it has a Type-C charger. You can charge the device using the Type-C, or you can charge your phone using the Type-C. It also has a lightning connector and a regular USB. So all you have to do is get your phone, get your cable, plug your phone. Mine is a Type-C. Plug it in, and boom, there you go, charging. I've had to charge my phone a few times. I got 3 full charges on my phone just by using this, right? So this is something that we all can use, or something that we all need in our backpacks. I will put the link in the description as to where you can get it, and you guys can go get one for yourself. This tastes so much better than I expected. Right, Bells? Does it taste good? Lovely. Certified chef, yeah?